What do you got? What's the next one, sir?
Let's talk about maintaining your car. How often should someone get their brakes changed, get a tune-up, or get their oil changed?
Well, in today's cars, the newer cars especially, service is a maintenance service light that comes on the dashboard. And that's determined on how your driving habits are and how much viscosity is left on your oil. And then when you bring it into whether it's your dealership or your local mechanic, he's going to go through it a once-over, hopefully he will, and just tell him to go over a once-over. Check the brakes, rotate the tires, do the oil change, check the wiper blades. I try to replace my wiper blades once a year, at least as before the winter starts in the fall this time of year. But most of the time, if you buy a new car, you should have an owner's manual and it'll tell you your maintenance schedule. If you buy a pre-owned car, obviously you can go on the website, go on the internet, or you can go on our website, motobio.com, and you can inquire about questions like that as well. It's very simple. It's just like going to the dentist. You go to the dentist once a year to get your teeth clean or twice a year to get your teeth clean. Make sure you do that with your car.
That's a great answer. Do you have a good rule of thumb on maybe how often someone should check in and say, you know what, I should check and make sure my brakes are good, or that my oil needs to be changed, or things of that sort?
Well, if your car is not equipped with like a maintenance light, you should change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, depending on your driving habits, whether you're stop and go or whether you're a highway driver. And as far as your brakes are concerned, you should always have the brakes checked when you rotate your tires. A lot of people neglect to rotate their tires. If you rotate your tires every 7,500 miles, you're going to get, first of all, better life out of your rubber on your tires, and you'll get better fuel economy because they're going to check the tires, make sure it's properly inflated, and then most of the time, when they take the tires off to rotate them, they'll check the brakes depth, and that's important.